Yeah, so today we're going to be making balloon models, but I'm not a balloon, just saying. So yeah, so we're going to be making balloon models just with these long balloons. So if you have any of these at your home, sometimes you get them from crackers. I don't get why, but yeah, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a balloon model. It's going to be a dog, or you can say it's a cat, or anything with 4 legs. And yeah, so the first step is just to get a balloon. That's for the end. So the first step is to get your balloon and turn it like this, and turn it however many times you like till it gets nice and sturdy, and then hold it, and then go to another one, make it nice and long, so up to about here, and then turn it again, and then get these 2 bits in the middle, here and here, bend the middle of this, and turn it like that. And now it is hard, so if you don't get it first try, I'll be honest with you, it is hard, and the first time I didn't do it. And then we'll repeat that over and over again like this. Also, I haven't done some filming for quite a long time, and the reason is because we weren't getting much support, so please hit that like button and subscribe. So now you get this, so if you can see it's like the head, tail and the feet, and we'll see you when I've done the last bit. Small foot. Here you go, you have your dog. So now at the end, if you want to make a nice tail trick, then this is what I do. So get the end of the tail, and only your mouth can be honest, get the end of the tail, suck it in your mouth, and suck it in. Air goes to the top, and then pinch it for about 15 seconds. Let go really, really slowly, and it should have a little bubble at the top. See, you see that? Now just wait 15 seconds. Should be good to go now. So now if we open it, it should be done. See? So yeah, that's how to make a balloon model. If you want to see more balloon stuff, hit the like button and subscribe.